G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 18, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. We look at the daily, the 4-hour and the hourly charts, and you can see here the daily is still in a pretty strong downtrend, although if you look at the 4-hour and the hourly, it's broken up through the CCI 1500 with the moving average 400, which is our key indicator we use on both the 4-hour and the 1-hour. Now it's made a nice break above that minor resistance there, so we'll talk about that in a minute. Let me just go drill down to each of these. On the daily first, we did have this key resistance, if I zoom out, this key resistance at 30.50 and this key support area at 20.64. We also had this minor resistance at 23.28 and it's broken above that overnight. And you'll notice on the CCI 1500 still in a pretty strong downtrend, although we need to look at that on the 4-hour chart next. I've also drawn this descending diagonal trend line and it seems to be moving away from that, so that's a positive and it's moving closer to this key resistance area. On the 4-hour chart, again you can see there the CCI is breaking to the upside, and that's a bullish divergence from the price chart. There's a bearish divergence on the price back here and that's still playing out, so we probably will see it break higher, and that's a positive sign, seeing that continue on the upside on the 4-hour chart. You'll notice there on that minor resistance at 23.28, it broke above that quite nicely since yesterday's update. On the hour chart, what I've done here is you can see it's also an uptrend on the hourly, but what I've done here as well is on that little retracement, I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement and it's gone past the 23% level near that resistance area, and it's now reaching just below the 38% retracement. To be more confident of this bullish move, we need to see a break above the 61% to be more confident. There's no guarantees, of course, it's going to continue, but we need to see a break above 61% at that level, then ultimately break above this key resistance at 30.50. So in terms of trading ideas, I've got these fractals as well. And again, if you want to be trading, it's very carefully trading, but again, just as a trading idea, when the CCI if you're trading the hourly, the 4-hour should be in the same direction. So, but just be mindful in this case, the daily is still in a pretty strong downtrend. But if you're trading the hourly in this case, you can use fractals to potentially go long. So when it breaks above, for example, the fractal there, when it breaks above there, you could go long and take little incremental gains, monetary or percentage gains that suit your trading style. But notice it does fall off quite quickly. So just be careful of going long at this point. I'm not suggesting you go long, I'm just giving you some trading ideas when the trends are in your favour. Again, that more recently, it broke above there, and that's in alignment with the 4-hour chart breaking, the CCI breaking to the upside. You could have gone long there, and you would have taken a little profit there. And more recently, in the last trade, you could have gone long at that point, and you might have taken a little percentage gain there. Again, using your own technique, getting out in a percentage or a monetary gain, or whether it's a moving average change or whatever. But just to get further ideas in terms of how to trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Support us more on Patreon, and thanks for watching.